No, don't push the button! Don't push the button! Let me out! Let me out!
Wendy, it's all right.
No, it's gonna crash! It's gonna crash!
Wendy?
The hydraulics will rupture the tracks! Will let happen, please!
Chick's on something. Wendy!
Whoa, relax. What's the matter?
I saw it in my head. The tracks collapsed and the roller coaster crashed.
Don't let go!
I can't!
Hang on, Wendy! Hang on! Help me rock it! Lowe's got it! Come on. She was just a little upset before.
Let me ask! Ho! Let's go! Hey! Ho! Let's go! Hey! Ho! Let's go! Hey! Ho!
Stop it! No! Stop it! Stop it, please! Please, the tracks are broken! Stop it! Stop it, please!
Hey!
Jason!
We can call your mother, and everything will be taken care of.
Jesus!